The step-by-step guide on how to change the one-way beverage line using the new FlexiDraft coupler for the system. The FlexiDraft system is designed for easy handling, so no extra tools are needed. When the keg is empty, it will begin to dispense foam, and that's when you know it is time to change the keg and replacing the one-way beverage line. First, disconnect the coupler from the keg by lifting the handle and twisting it off. This step ensures there is no pressure in the system while changing the beverage line. Now you can remove the one-way beverage line from the new FlexiDraft coupler by pulling it out. Now you can open the FlexiDraft tower and remove the nozzle from the tower by pushing it back. Since the name one-way beverage line, it is designed for single use, so it should be disposed after removal. To get the best draft quality, change the empty keg to a pre-cooled one. Depending on the FlexiDraft unit, the fridge can store kegs, so you always have a pre-cooled keg at your disposal. Take a new one-way beverage line and insert it into the tower. Remember to keep the protection key on. Push the nozzle in firmly until it is in place. The secure fit ensures a hygienic and leak-free connection. With the new line installed in the tower, attach the coupler to the keg. Align it with the keg valve, twist it into place, and push the handle down to lock it securely. By using the FlexiDraft system with one-way beverage lines, you guarantee a hygienic, easy-to-maintain dispense solution. No cleaning is required, and every pour is fresh. Thanks for watching, and happy dispensing!